Welcome back, Code Websters. Today we're going to be discussing how an AI company could revolutionize the meme industry. OpenAI is an AI company founded in 2015 by Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Elon, well, he needs no introduction, but Sam Altman was the president of Y Combinator and built a host of startups over the last 20 years. Needless to say, both of these guys are freaking loaded geniuses. So anyway, they teamed up with a bunch of other guys to create a revolutionary AI company called OpenAI, which essentially has the intended goal of creating friendly AI. Over the last 5 years, they've been creating a host of AIs, with recently making headlines with its new AI called GPT-3. But as a computer vision student, I'm way more interested in working with ImageGPT, the quiet, brooding, artistic, well, hardly known cousin of GPT-3. So, ImageGPT uses unsupervised and supervised learning to develop images. One of its coolest projects I've been looking at is the ability to complete images from only a section of the data. For example, look at chunkers here. Well, look at the top half of him at least. So ImageGPT will attempt to reform the following image. So let's start with the top half, and we get chunkers holding what looks like a menu, and then a snorkel, a comic, and I think that's underpants. So yeah, that's pretty weird. In fact, this is a lot more creative than the actual image, which was the human holding the card. But ImageGPT also has some hilarious images. Here's one where it tries to recreate a seal with only its top half. It made one without a mouth, two with doggish looking mouths, and finally one that really friggin' needs dentures. But wait, that's not all. What we're here for is ImageGPT trying to develop memes. So here it tried to create the surprised Pikachu face meme, and surprisingly it got it every single time. As a side note, most of the data is actually pulled from the internet, so this just shows how popular this meme is. It also tried to create the doggo meme, which it got more or less right every single time. Then it hilariously tried to create the cat eating the salad meme. Luckily, this is a lot more interesting. So it created a whole cat, a cat at a desk with some friggin' objects, the cat at a table with a tray of what looks like treats on it, and a cat with what looks like a genie lamp. I really don't know. Comment whatever the hell that is. So yeah, it seemed like the AI got hyper creative right there. So the AI tried to recreate the grumpy cat meme also, but with a pretty good accuracy rate. It seemed to have at least understood that this cat's head is showing that it's sad. And my personal favorite, wait, let's get a drum roll on this. Preview. The "this is fine" dog meme. So it first grants this weird dog that is covered with clothes, then a dog that seems to be screaming in the fire, and I think wearing a bikini. And then finally we get a dog that's literally melting in fire. So this is just going like on a crazy rodeo. And then finally we get the half melting dog on, I think, a prayer mat. So I think this dog has suddenly become Muslim or something. So needless to say, the AI did its research. Well, that's it, guys. Hopefully we'll get more interesting ImageGPT AI memes in the future. I'm actually trying to access the ImageGPT system right now. I got access to GPT-3, and I will be doing videos with that in the near future. But next time we're going to talk about GPT-3 and how it will take over the world and yada yada yada. So as always, subscribe and like if you really like this video. If you didn't, comment in the comment section why you hated this video, and I'll probably leave a thumbs down. See ya!